Evaluate 4 into sine to the power of 4 30 degrees plus cos to the power of 4 60 degrees minus 3 into cos square 45 degrees minus sine square 90 degrees. 4 into sine to the power of 4 30 degrees plus cos to the power of 4 60 degrees minus 3 into cos square 45 degrees minus sine square 90 degrees is equal to 4 into sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 3 into cos square 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square minus sine square 90 degrees is equal to 1 whole square is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 into 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16, 2 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 16. 4 into 2 by 16 is equal to 8 by 16 minus into minus plus 3 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. LCM 16. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. 1 into 8 is equal to 8 plus 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24 is equal to 8 plus 24 is equal to 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2.